Guys, in this video we will see how to fix if KB5050188 update failed to install on your Windows 10 system. If this update is failed to install in your system, then here are the fixes. And the first and initial workaround is right click on a start button and choose settings. In settings phase, from the left sidebar, go to system, and from the right side, look for the option troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot. This is an important tool of your Windows system. Choose other troubleshooters, and here run Windows Update troubleshoot. Click on run button against Windows Update and let the window complete the troubleshooting process. It will not only detect the issue, it will repair them accordingly. So follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process. And after that, check whether Windows latest update KB update installing or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search and type disk cleanup. Type disk cleanup and open disk cleanup in your system. And here select the drive you want to clean up, basically C drive, where your all program files exist, and a new window will open. Here go to files to delete section and make the check against all these options: recycle bin, temporary files, thumbnails, use directory, downloaded program files. Make the check against all these options and click on OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Choose delete files. Disk cleanup not only release extra space but removing caches and cookies and history of your system. The next workaround to fix this issue is go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. Click on run as administrator, and in command prompt Windows execute these three dism tool first. In command prompt Windows, dism online scan health, dism online check health, and dism online restore health. All these three dism tool execute in command prompt Windows one by one, followed by enter key on each time. Simply copy from my video's description box and paste it in command prompt Windows and press enter on each time. After that, execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your PC for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete. After that, restart your system and check whether Windows Update installing or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose run. You may press Win key plus R shortcut key to open run dialog box, and here type services.msc. Click on OK. This command will open services windows in your system. Services windows will now open. Here you will have to start or restart various Windows Update related services, and the first one is background intelligent transfer service. Simply right click on it, and if you found it in a stop mode, then first start it, otherwise restart it. After that, apply a double click on it to open its properties windows and go to a startup type and set as automatic and click on apply and OK to save the changes. The second services is cryptographic services. Look for cryptographic services, same, right click on it and first choose start, otherwise restart it. Click on restart and thereafter apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic. Click on apply and OK to save the changes. The third one is Windows installer services. Scroll down and find out Windows installer services. Same process, right click on it and choose start or restart and apply a double click on it to open its properties, but you can't change its startup type, so close the windows. And the last one is Windows update services. Right click on it, choose start or restart. If already a start, then choose restart, and after that apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic. Click on apply and OK to save the changes. After that, restart your system and check whether Windows latest update installing on your Windows system or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Execute Windows Update components. Go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. Again, open command prompt Windows, and here you will have to execute various Windows Update components one by one and as shown on a screen. First, execute these 4 commands to stop these 4 services one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt Windows, and thereafter execute some more commands, Windows Update components as shown on a screen. All this command path will also available in my video's description box. You may copy from there. Simply copy it one by one and paste it in command prompt Windows and press enter on each time. So execute all these Windows Update components, and after that execute these 4 commands again to start all those 4 services you have earlier stopped them. So execute them, and once successfully execution of Windows Update components, close the windows and don't forget to restart your system. And after that, check whether Windows latest update installing in your Windows PC or not. If not, manually download and install Windows latest update. To do so, open your Chrome browser or any preferred browser, and here in search field type Microsoft Update Catalog. Press enter. Choose first appeared result, Microsoft Update Catalog, and in Microsoft Update Catalog page, type your KV update which you want to download and install into your system. Click on search. All its related KV update KB5049981 all its related update is available. Simply click on download button and install manually in your system.